What's up, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy LB and welcome back to my new tutorial video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how I create this effect, sky replacement, and I will show you two different methods. We'll tell you the reason why you have to use this method. It depends what's the kind of the footage you have. Stick around, let's get a jump on it.
Guys, as you see here, my Premiere Pro, I have two different footages. So this is the first one and this is the second one. So here we're gonna see two different methods you can use for making this sky replacement. So guys, and I have the footage which I'm gonna use for this video. Yes, the footage of clouds. Okay, so the first clip here, you have to press here for this clip. We are going to see the first method, and then you come back here for this effect here, and I'm going to search the effect which is called the color key. So this color key you have to drag and drop it here for this clip. Okay, so and you come here for these effect settings. You see these color key settings, and I have to pick this icon, and then I press here on this sky. Okay, after pressing this sky, you have to increase this color tolerance. Let me increase like, yes, 12, something like this. Okay, you see the sky is not over removed. Okay, so I can increase the number, and you have to make sure it will not affect this house. Okay, so let me reduce some few little bit. Okay, for example, yes, this is enough for me. And then I have to come here for this edge fader. For increase this edge fader, I can add 3. Okay, let me add 4. Okay, this is nice. And then guys, you see my sky is already removed, so and I'm going to replace my own sky. So I have to move this clip above because this footage of the sky will be here under of this original clip. Okay, let me find my clip where my cloud it is this one. So double click here on it. When I play, you see how my clip it is. Okay, this is how my clip it is. So and I have to drag this video only, and I'm going to put it down here, down of this clip. Okay, so let me come here for this effect control. Let me try to increase the scale. Okay, so this is enough. Okay guys, so now when you play, you see how this video it is. Okay, but as you see here, video is not matching well with the sky. Okay, maybe the sky has more blue. For this clip it has some orange, something like that. Okay, so then you have to click here on this cloud, and then I can increase some in temperature, something like this. You see now the clip is already matched. Okay, well, okay, so this is how you can replace this sky. So guys, this is the first method. So now let's gonna jump on the second clip, and I'm going to see the second method. Okay, so for the second method, and I'm going to use another effect which is called the ultra key. Okay, so let's come back here for this effect, and then let me search the effect which is called the ultra key. Ultra key. Okay, and then I have to drop it here for this clip, and then you come back here for these ultra key settings. Guys, it's gonna be the same like the first method, so the different it is two effect which is different. Okay, so the first clip, the first effect was called the color key. The second clip, it is called the ultra key. So now, and I have to pick this icon, and then I have, and let me click here on this sky. You see guys, the sky is already removed. Okay, so now you come here for these settings, default, and then you press aggressive. Guys, that means for this ultra key you can use it when you have the blue sky. Okay, this blue sky, it can work for this ultra key effect. Okay, and then I have to move this clip above. Okay, so let me duplicate this cloud footage, and then you see how the things it is. This is looks amazing guys. Okay, this is looks nice. You see guys, here there is some things affected on this window, and then you have to click on this clip. Okay, so you come back here for this Ultra key, right? So now you have to select this free draw bezel, and for example, let me just try to fix those 3 windows. Okay, yeah, let me select those 3 windows. Okay, so after select it, and then you have to click here on this inverted. All right, so now when you play, guys, you see everything is gonna be done, everything is cool. So guys, this is how you can create this effect, sky replacement, in Adobe Premiere Pro.
That's all, guys. So if you like my video, please don't forget to leave your thumbs up, subscribe, and drop the comment down below. Let me know what you think. See you next video. Peace.